Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we will be solving some of the detailed set problems related to interpreting linear models. So it is one of the important topic also. So let's get started. Number one, the water level h in feet in a large aquarium can be modeled by h equals to 100 minus 3d, where d is the number of days that have passed since the aquarium was last refilled. Based on the model, how does the water level change each day? So we have given a linear equation, that is h equals to 100 minus 3d. Okay, so to solve this kind of problem you can make a table and solve like this. So let's say we have given here h, okay, and this is d. So you have to find some values. So let's start. Let's say in the day 0, okay, let's say d is 0 day. If you plug d0, it becomes h becomes 100, right? So it was 100 feet in the initial day, means water level was 100 feet. And as the day passes by, let's say first day, 100 minus 3, that will be 97, right? If you plug d equals to 1, it gets h equal to 100 minus 3. And as the more day, second day passes, let's say d equals to 100 minus what, 6 is what, 94. You can see here, as the number of days is increasing by 1, the height is decreasing by what, 3, right? 3 feet, right? 3 feet. So what you can say, what we can say that each day the height of the water level is decreasing by 3 feet. So decrease by 3 feet, A is your answer. Okay, and there is also another way to answer this in term of like this. We know that equation of the line with y-intercept and slope m is y equal to mx plus c, right? If you have to find the change in y per unit change in x, that is slope. So m is equals to what, dy by dx. Okay, so here you can see the slope is minus 3, right? Minus 3 is equals to d. What is y is h by d in d. Okay, d is number of days. So you can see here the change in the height per day. Okay, change in height per day is minus 3, that is minus 3 feet, means it is decreasing by minus 3 feet every day. You can also use this also, or you can directly use this also. So let's go to number 2. I'll talk about this later maybe. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay, an antique lamp was sold at an auction. The price P of the lamp in dollars during the auction can be modeled by the equation P is equal to 900 minus 10t, where t is the number of seconds left in the auction. So according to the model, what is the meaning of 900 in the equation? So we have given the starting auction price of the lamp, the final auction price of the lamp, the increase in the price of the lamp per second, the time it takes to auction off the lamp in second. So to solve that, we have to know that. So P is equal to, let's say 900 minus 100t. So what is t? T is the number of seconds left in the auction. So what happens, the let's say auction started with 200 seconds, it goes on decreasing, right? It goes, let's say as time passes, it go on 180 second, let's say it go 150 second, and eventually in the end it becomes 0 second, right? So P is equal to 900 minus 10 into, so final what is the value of t, will be 0, right? So finally it becomes 900 is the final auction price. So that means what? So in the time remaining is 0, that means P equals becomes 900, that means P equals to 900. 900 is the final auction price of the lamp. So let's go to next question, number C. Okay, C is equals to 1.5 plus 2.5x. So a local post office uses the equation above to determine the cost C in dollars. So this C is in dollar, okay, of mailing a shipment weighing x pound. So this is the cost in dollar, and mailing this weight, this is in pound. So this is the weight actually, okay. And it is saying an increase of $10 in the mailing cost. Let's say there is an increase in this mailing cost, let's say by $10, okay, is equivalent to increase of how many pound in the weight of the shipment. So if the cost of what, okay, mixed of so the cost of mailing the shipment is increases by $10, then how many pound would increase of how many pounds in the weight of the shipment. So how many increase in the weight of that cement. Okay, it is acting like that. So to do this, so we can use the concept of slope. Again I repeat it. Okay, so c is equals to 1.5 plus 2.5x. so this is the equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, so so we have given slope is what, 2.5. Okay, y is c and x is here x. So we can use the definition of slope. Okay, what is slope? Let's say, okay, slope m is equal to, we called it slope. Slope is equal to dy by dx. In our case we have dc by dx. So this means, this give what meaning is increase in c, okay, per unit change in what x. Okay, okay, we can do this. Okay, so this is given the slope. So slope is from the figure is 2.5. so dc over dx, right? So let's say there is an increment in c per unit change in x. Okay, so this is given here is $10. Okay, this is $10. so we have to find the change in x. Let's say this is dx is equals to 2.5. now find dx. so dx will be equals to 10 over 2.5, and this is equals to, use the calculator. so the 10 over 2.5 is this go 0 24. so 4 is the answer. You can do like this. Okay, so let's go to next one. Number 4, the total cost the total cost c in dollars of repairing shoes is given by the function this one, cx equals to 200x minus 400 by x plus k, where x is the number of shoes repairing shoes. Okay, this is x is the number and k is the constant. Okay, if 50 shoes were repaired at the cost of $300, what is the value of k? That means 50 shoes were repaired means x is 50 and the cost is given $300. just plug it and get the value of k. so c is what, cost. so 300 was cost for 200 into 50 shoes, right? minus 400 over this is 50 plus k. Okay, this is 300 equals to 25 is 10, 1 2 3 minus 400 divided over 50 plus, sorry, yeah, 50 plus k. You can just use calculator here. Okay, so we have given a 10000 minus 400. so this is 300 is equals to 9600 by 50, sorry, plus k, so this will be 9600 divided over 50. this will be 192. so this is equals to 192 plus k. Okay, so this go to that side and subtract it. 300 minus 192 is 108. so k equals to 108. so the value of k is 108. Okay, let's go to next question. A teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of questions worth 1 point and worth 3 point. Okay, let's highlight it. so total is 70 points. The assignment consists of question worth 1 point and question worth 3 points. Okay, question will be either 1 point type question or 3 point type questions. Which equation represents this is where x represents the number of 1 points question and y represents the number of 3 point questions. Okay, so simply total is what, equals to 70, and let's say there x is the number of 1 point question plus y is the number of what, 3 point questions. so these are the numbers, right? and here is x is the number, and this the weight of this each question is 1. so 1 into x is the total point, right? so y is the number of 3 point question and 3y will be the total points, right? so we can write x plus 3y is equals to 70. is quite easy one. so x plus 3y equal to 70 is your answer. You got it? Okay, okay, because this is what, point. so this y is what, number, and this 3 is point. So this x is what, this x is number, and 1 here is what, this is point. Okay, so we have to get total points plus total points equals to 70. Okay, this is the 1 point question, this is 3 point question. So let's go to number 6. The equation above models the time t in seconds it takes to load a web page with x images. Based on the model, by how many second dots each image increases the load time of the web page. So we have given the equation t is equal to 2x plus 9 by 5. So x is the number of images and t is the load time. Okay, load time of that web page. So as the number of images increases, the load time of the what web page also increases. Okay, so it is asking us by how many second does each image increase the load time of a web page. So if I add one image, how much time is affected? Okay, how much load time it takes, it is asking that question. So it is asking like dt over dx, that is what is that is we say increase in load time per unit x added. It is saying like that. Okay, okay, per unit number of image added. So it is asking just slope. Okay, just find the slope of this equation. So to find the slope, change it into y equal to mx plus c. So divide by 5 here and here also. So this is 2 by 5 x plus 9 by 5. This is 0.4 x plus 9 by 5. So this is our answer, that is 0.5 second. So if you add one image, then the load time of a web page will increase by 0.4 seconds. So this is the answer, just find the slope. So let's go to number 7. Okay, which of the following equation is the most appropriate linear model for the data shown in the scatter plot? So we have given this scatter plot, the point data, and you have to interpret which is the line represented by that plot. So to that, let me make a line. Okay, so I'm going to make a approximate line like this. Okay, maybe a little bit inaccurate. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so we have given this line and this data. If I make a line like this, we can see here the slope of the line. If line goes like this, its slope is negative. Okay, if line go like this, its slope becomes positive. And if the line is like this flat, okay, its slope is 0. And if the line goes like this straight with x-axis, and then its slope is either infinite or it is said to have no slope. Okay, so you can see here this line, the just we used to fit this data. So this line has slope is negative. So this has what, negative slope. And if you say y-intercept, this is c, right? Y-intercept is what, positive or negative? It is positive. So we have to check this one. Okay, so first of all, the line has negative slope, means if you write y equal to mx plus c, this plus c is positive y-intercept and this m is negative, so minus mx plus c type equation you have to see. If you see here plus, okay, sorry, yeah, if you see here what okay, this is negative slope, right? Here slope is positive, here is slope is positive. This is not answer, this is not answer. Now we have to check the y-intercept. So why no, oh no, okay, a or b we have here we have what, mistyped. Okay, so let's make b here plus, there must be plus here. Okay, because a or b are same, so there's typing error. So you can see here y intercept is positive, right? So it has negative y intercept, here is negative y intercept, right? Negative c, here is positive c. So what should be our answer? Guess guys. Okay, the answer should be b number. Okay, because here y is negative but our y intercept is a positive, so b is your answer. Okay, so I think it's over. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And okay, bye bye, until the next video.